Salam family, I'm here with another video. This is Unity. What I'm going to show y'all is how I use wire to connect beads and then put the hook. You can use jump rings. You see a picture right here of a jump ring. You can use a jump ring. You just put it in, connect it, put another one on, and you can use that. Me personally, with a jump ring, which I'm going to show y'all a video, I think if you do use it, make sure you solder it closed. Or you could put a little bit of glue. But I got a video, I'm going to show y'all that. I like to use a 20 gauge wire. I'm going to take probably about a, what that is? Probably about a 1 inch piece of wire. I'm just doing this for the purpose of the video. Usually I make it a little shorter. All right. So I take the piece of wire. Use a needle nose plier. I like to use this round nose plier. Yeah, y'all see work been put in. Y'all see that. So I take the round nose plier and I clamp it like that. I push it in. You can see that, y'all. And then I grab these two pieces like this, like that together. And I just twist it. I twist it one time. And then I take this piece and I wrap it around. And just like that. You see that? Okay, so right here, I bend it like this way. This is my going to my right, because I'm right-handed. So I bend it like that. I bend it like that. And then I pull up probably a little bit. And I just roll it around like that. You see that? And I just clip that end off. I take my round nose and I just pull it in. I'm gonna turn it this way. I had to clip it off a little bit more, y'all, because it was giving me a little bit of cribbing. So I just take this again and I just bring it down and just close it like that. And then this little piece right here, I just squeeze it. Then you should have like a little loop. I take another little piece of wire. It's about, it's about like that. I'll just show y'all about what size it is. And then I just bend it to the right. And I get at the end of it. And I make that loop. Make a loop like that. I keep it open a little bit. And then I take this. And I put it in here. Hopefully y'all can see what I'm doing. And I close it up. Okay, so then what I do after that, I'm gonna get any kind of beads. So I'm gonna grab this bead. It's like a little bead right here. And I'm gonna take this little blue bead. And then we got, I just put them on like that. Leave a little space like this right here. And I just bend it to the right again. To the end of it. And I just make that little loop. And close it in. Beautiful part, I didn't have to cut nothing. It fit right there. Right up in here, I make sure that this right here is twisted going forward. And then this piece right here is going like that way. Y'all see that? See from the side? See how that side is going frontward? And then this piece is going to me. And then I take, this is sterling silver hook wire. I just open it up right here, just a little, and clamp it in there like that. Turn it around, close it in as tight as you can, y'all. If you're gonna use that, because you can use for like clip-ons. And if y'all want me to show y'all how to put that on, it's simple. Use them. You can use different types of hooks. So mainly that is how I hook and bead. And what it does, it makes the earring dangle more. And this is just a way that I do it. You know, people have their own little way of how they do hook and bead. But I get asked all the time. I have another way of how I hook and bead when I first started out. But this is one of the ways I've been doing it lately. So you can get that dangle. All right, if y'all have any questions, let me know. Please leave a beautiful comment. Respect those that respect you. Pick up trash in your community. Adopt a pet from your local rescue or shelter today. Donate to this channel, y'all. Y'all can leave as low as $1. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Salam, salam.